Hello. So yesterday we looked at this sound, didn't we? Who can remember what it was? Can you say it? It was oi. So oi, 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 oi. Who can remember what the rhyme was for it? It was oi, oi, spoil the. Well done, right. So one more time. Oi, oi, spoil the boy. Oi, oi, spoil the boy. Fantastic, well done. Right, what we are going to do now is, even though we have done the split digraphs in school, we are just going to do a bit of recapping over them. So we'll do all our splits again, and then we'll do some alternative sounds, and then we will finish set 3, and then we'll start onto our readwriting spelling. So our sound for today is the split digraph A. So it's A. Can you say it? A. 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 Well done, fantastic. There's a little rhyme, and there's two children, and they are A, make a cake. So A, make a cake. A, make a cake. Fantastic. Let's have a look at reading our special friends today. So you might notice that when I have drawn them, I have left a little gap in between, because this little E just at the end is our magic E. And so, even though it's there, we don't say it, okay? So, we just take the first vowel and we say it as its vowel name. So, we say A, don't I? So, like make, just like that. So, let's have a look at reading some of these words. So, we've got our first one for today. So, we got came. Can you say that for me? Came. One more time. A. Well done, fantastic. Let's have a go at this one. Bake. Can you say that one for me? Well done, fantastic. Let's have a go at another one. So we've got made. Made. Can you say that for me? Made. One more time, say it all together. Well done, fantastic. Let's have a go at this one. Ooh, this one is Mrs. Parkinson's favourite chocolate in the world. And it comes in a yellow packet. And it's flake. Can you say that for me? One more time. Well done, fantastic. Right, we'll do one more word, and then we will get our thread fingers ready. You ready? So this so you'll notice that there's two R's in this word. This first R is just by itself. So when we say that, we say don't we? So and then this one, because it's got our E on the end, is our split digraph. So remember, we say it as its vowel name. So z. Amaze. Can you say that for me? Amaze. Fantastic. One more time. Well done. Right, get your thread fingers ready and let's start sounding out some words. And then we will use our flashcards from set 2 and set 3 and we'll see if we can recognise our A sound. Let's start with the word. Let's start with cake. Cake. Ooh, how many sounds were in cake? Ache. 3. Some of them will be a little bit tricky as well because it's got both k, isn't it? So I'm going to give you a little starter. There, I'll give you that to start with. How many sounds were in cake? It was. Well done, let's pinch them. Ache. Ache. So if I've given you this one as our starter, and we already know that we're going to put our split digraph A in, like this. What sound is missing from there? It's a k So it must be this one. So we've got k, a, k, haven't we? K, a, k. Well done. Let's do made. So Mr. Wakefield made a pie. Made. M-A-D. How many sounds were in made? That's right, it's 3. Let's pinch them. M-A-D. M-A-D. 3 sounds. Can you have a go at writing it? Just remember your little E at the end, the magic E. Let's remember to put it on. So it's M-A-D. Made. M-A-D. M-A-D. Well done. Give yourself a little tick for your and then we've got a tick for our split digraph A, haven't we? So we can do it down here. And then a tick for your last sound, which was D. Let's do the word came. So came. K, A, How many sounds made up came? That's right, it's 3. So K, A, K, A, Let's pinch them. K, A, K, A, I'm going to give you one little help. I'm going to give you that as our starting letter. So the word came. K, A, I've got finishing it now. Don't forget your little E at the end. K, A, Well done. I'll give you a tick for your A and a tick for your but you're not getting a tick for your K because I gave you that one. Right, let's do the word amaze. I know. Remember what I said before? Because it had 2 as in. The first one is said as an A, and the second one is it's our split digraph A, isn't it? So we say it as A. So we've got A, A, Z. How many sounds made up a maze? 4. Let's pinch them. A, A, Z. A, A, Z. Amaze. A, A, Z. Amaze. Can you have a go at writing amaze for me? Amaze. A, A, Z. A, A, Z. A, A, Z. Well done. Let's tick your A, tick your tick your A sound, and tick your Z. Fantastic. Right. Remember what we are going to do is let's have a look at our split digraph A now. So it's A, make a cake. Can you say that for me? A, make a cake. Brilliant, fantastic. I'm going to mix it in with some of our set 2 and set 3 sounds. And when you see it, I want you to shout out A, make a. Fantastic. Remember, when you see it, point at the screen and shout it out. Let's say the sounds as we go. So we've got shin, o, ow, or, oi, e, oi, a, maker. Brilliant, fantastic. Let's mix them up again. Are you ready? So we've got e, oi, a, shus, a, maker. Fantastic. Let's do one more. And let's mix them up really good and proper this time. So we've got ow, shun, e, a, maker. Fantastic. Well done. You worked super hard with your first split digraph recap of this week. So tomorrow we will move on and we will look at the E split digraph. So I will see you tomorrow.